What's the best campervan hire for freedom camping in Australia? Go self-contained. It unlocks the most free camping spots, including sites that won't let non-self-contained vans in. Britz, Apollo and Cruisin all offer well-equipped self-contained options. On a budget, Spaceships work great at non-self-contained sites. They come with cooking gear, bedding and no one-way fees. Use WikiCamps or CamperMate to find legal free spots and plan to hit a powered site every 2 to 3 nights to keep your batteries topped up. Trying to find the right campervan for your next trip? There's a link to our campervan quiz in the description.